What's up, YouTube? This is Mean Green Gaming. This is the new name for my page. It was Just Brick Studio previously, but now it will be Mean Green Gaming. So update number 2. This will be update number 2. I've got a lot of wiring. It looks all crazy and stuff, but I kind of got it all figured out for the most part. All my power supply stuff is in, at least for now. The power supply is down there. It's mounted and ready to go. I've got power running to everything. I have the power supply right here going to the motherboard. My USBs from the top of the case up here. My USB mounts, yeah, that one and that one there. The power is all set up and ready to go. This one, I think, still needs to be connected. And that is your C mount, or your C plug for like iPhones and Androids and stuff like that. But I've got everything going right now. Like my other power coming from the power supply. It is in. My new fans for my radiator are in. These are the two from the case that came with the case. This is down there for decoration. Well, not really for decoration, but it will pull more air in, but it is not actually doing anything but just pulling air. These are the two for the radiator, because the radiator is in now. It is in there. And then those are the fans that are going to go with it. So I'm going to mount the other two inside here on the back of the radiator, pulling more air into the case. The cooler is in. Well, not really in, but I'm still waiting for the CPU. Yeah, the motherboard is taken care of for now until I get other things ran and kind of plugged in. I still have to get these plugged in as well for the cooler. Other than that, yeah, we are to step 2. The gaming, or the power supply is already done. It's in for the most part until I get everything else hooked up. I still need to get these other 3 fans mounted, my Lian fans. They're probably going to go right here on these 2 fan mounts, or like USB mounts, or like hard drive mounts or whatever. These are kind of in there for it, but these are going to be for my fans. So I'm going to have 2 here, and then 1 exhaust fan up here. And then I'm probably going to have maybe 2 more here. If I don't put them on the back of the radiator, I might put them up here for just decoration. But that is update number 2 on my Lian build. Right now, it is looking really good. I have all my fan wiring ran from the front, so now there's nothing hanging in the front here, so it's all nice and clean, and running in the back of the case now, so I can get all of the wiring kind of figured out. But yeah, I've got all my fans mounted up. They're in the wiring harness from the case. Other than that, I still need to find the plugins for the actual like power to them. Then after that, this is the control box for my other fans that are in the case right now. Once I get all that figured out and wired up, I'll find a place to put that, because I have a 3mm like tape piece that's going to go on the back of this, and it's going to stick somewhere in the case. I'm not sure where I'm going to put that yet. But this is a 100% personal build. I have no knowledge of any of this. I just go by instructions and kind of what needs to go where. I have a friend of mine helping me with everything, buying everything for my budget. And yeah, kind of going from there. So my Lian build is coming together. So hopefully you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can get more followers. And yeah, please feel free to like this video and comment. And any advice would be helpful as well. This is a brand new beginner, like I said. I've never done this before. So this is all a learning process for me. So any advice would be super helpful. But this is Mean Green Gaming. This is my PC build, and I'm going to be doing it step by step and letting you guys know the process and how it goes. So like and subscribe, and thank you, and have a good night.